2 videos in one day. But the reason why is because I did that video about Frigidex. Now you will get it. Promise you that. But I'm not gonna keep rambling. So this is actually gonna be a nature vlog. It's not a specimen Saturday or something. Just I'm gonna walk you around our yard. So be right back once I find a cool thing. You probably saw their license plate. Shame. So look at this. Look, these are spittle bugs because they create a little thing, like a little sack on. There's a good example of one right about there. See him? Need you to find him. Viewfinder, come on. I'm just gonna hold this thing. Would like take him out. Does this work? The viewfinder can find the thing. But that's a spittle bug. Oh, there we go. Right there's a spittle bug. And they're all over this bush. That's just false. There's one. There's 2 different. And there's one. Then we have these beautiful things. I have these lovely things. Just in my hand, it usually focuses. I can feel any little vibrations. That's why mosquitoes have them. So then we have the milkweeds, which I personally... Turn your music down! But then you have these. Not my favorite. But not my favorite at all. These vines that grow these berries. Focus. Magenta. Holy crap. So that will be all for this time. Goodbye.